Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had an amazing Easter for everyone who celebrates it. But now that the holiday is over, it is time to get my house back in order. And today I'm going to be focusing on Rylee's room and a little bit of downstairs as well. So I did just repurchase a box of diapers for her. So I'm just organizing all of that in this cart that I picked up from Michael's. I will leave the link down below for anybody who is interested. It's supposed to be for crafts and everything like that, but I really just use this to hold all of her diapers and things that we need while we are changing her. At the top of the cart, I like to put all of her bibs, and to be honest, the older she gets, the less bibs she actually uses. So I really should start to put that stuff away. And then I also like to add a couple of diapers just for easy access while we are changing her. By the time this video does go up, I did actually rearrange Rylee's bedroom. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I also deep cleaned it by shampooing the carpet. So I will leave the link down in the description bar as well as on the screen up here. But she likes to pull down these stars that I picked up from Target's Dollar Spot a while back. So I like to tape them so it's a little bit harder for her to reach. Rylee has been battling a cold a little bit, so I really need to make sure that I change her crib sheets because I don't want the germs on the old sheets to continue to keep getting her sick. So I'm taking off these bumpers that I actually made myself, and I wish I did record it for you guys, but this was just a craft that I quickly did and I really wasn't sure how they were going to turn out. So what did you guys end up doing for Easter? We actually ended up going to church, and then we went to brunch with my in-laws, and that was really about it. Early in the morning, since Rylee did get up around 7, we opened up her Easter basket, but she was more interested in all the paper rather than the actual gifts that she received. Once I was done in Rylee's room, I went downstairs to vacuum the carpets that we had down there because we were going to be renting one of those deep clean shampoo vacuum, so I wanted to make sure that we at least vacuumed all of the carpets. Then I'm going in with my Method wood cleaner, which I absolutely love. It doesn't leave any type of residue all over the wood floors, and it's super easy to use. I just go in with my Swiffer, and that's really about it. On this particular day, I didn't want to do too much because Rylee wasn't feeling too well. For some reason, I had given her some pears and then also some cereal, and literally within 5 minutes, her eye blew up. And I'm not really sure what the reasoning was. And I took her to the doctor, and the doctor just thinks that it might have been cross-contamination in one of the jars at the factory that they made it at, because she's had this food plenty of times before. So I didn't really want to do too much cleaning, but I also did need to get stuff done around the house. Once I was done with the floors, I decided to hang out with her a little bit. Besides her eye just blowing up, she still was the happy-go-lucky baby that she always is, but I wanted to make sure that I showed her a little bit of extra love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had an amazing Easter. If you enjoyed these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.